It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, we are going to get into these Easter cookies. I have all the ingredients laid out for you. I will also leave them listed in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how you enjoyed this video. But this video is dedicated to my dear friend Taiwo. Taiwo, if you're watching, hey girl. So you're gonna need 4 large eggs, some lemon juice, some almond to boost the flavor, some lemon extract, some flour, sugar, powdered sugar, and some baking powder. You're also gonna need 2 sticks of unsalted butter. So here's the magical part of the cookies, the food coloring. I will leave the links listed to these in the description box below. You're gonna need some lemons, 2 lemons and a zester. You wanna make sure you wash or rinse your lemons off before you begin to zest. So get me a small bowl, and then you're going to take your zester and begin to just rub your lemon against that zester and let the sheddings from the lemon come right off into that bowl as you see here. Now I'm gonna have to change out this bowl because I need actually 4 tablespoons of the lemon zest. So we're gonna switch it over into this larger bowl here, and we're going to zest both lemons because you need an equal amount of, and it depends on the size, so you need a total of 4 tablespoons of lemon zest. Now in a large bowl, you want to add in your 2 sticks of butter and your granulated sugar, and you want to mix both ingredients until they are both well incorporated. Now that's completed, we're going to take our spatula and just mix it around a little bit just to check for the soft and smoothness. And then we're going to add in our next ingredient, and that's the 4 large eggs. And we're going to take our mixer and mix that together until it's well incorporated. So you want to mix this for about 2 minutes until it's nice, smooth, and fluffy. And also it's going to turn white as you see here. And once the 2 minutes is up, it should be nice and smooth. So you're just gonna take your spatula and mix it around so that you can check for the smoothness. Smoothness check. Now let's move on to the next step. So now it's time to add in some flavor. So I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of the lemon juice, some almond, and some lemon extract. And I'm adding in the 4 tablespoons of the lemon zest. So the lemon extract, I added 1.5 teaspoon of the lemon extract, and then 1 teaspoon of the almond just to boost the flavor. Now once I have all of that in, then I'm just going to fold it in until it's nice and incorporated. It will look a little grainy, so don't worry about it. Just long as you fold in all that ingredients and make sure that it's well incorporated. Now I'm adding in 4 teaspoons of the baking powder. And then you're going to add in your all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding in a little bit at a time, like 1/3 of the all-purpose flour. So just don't add it in all at once. Just incorporate it in a little bit at a time and begin to fold your flour in until it becomes into a nice sticky dough. So we're gonna finish adding in the rest of the all-purpose flour and continue to fold that remainder flour in. And I know y'all like, oh my God, roll my arm. Do I really need to fold in this flour, child? Yes, you do, because you don't want to overmix the batter to where you're gonna have some flat cookies, because that ain't what you want. All right, so let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're gonna move on to our next step. Now, after you have created your dough, you want to divide it into 4 parts and begin the coloring process. I'm starting off with the turquoise waters, and I'm adding in a pinch of each color in each parts of the dough. And I'm also adding in a pinch of lemon juice just to activate the color to blend well. So once you work with these Master Elite colors, some of the colors may not look as it is mentioned on the jar, and that's okay. But once you activate these colors, they are going to come out nice and vibrant as it is shown onto the jar. And trust me, you're going to fall in love with these Master Elite colors, because these are one of my favorite brands of colorings. So now let's get to mixing and blending in the colors. And this is the turquoise waters, and as you see, I'm just taking my dough and blending and mixing it until it is fully incorporated in the full color that you see or have here. Now this is the violet. We mixing and mixing, and now it's ready. And then we're gonna move right on to our sassy pink. Just mix and mix until it comes together, and she's ready. And then we're gonna move right on to our sunshine. This is the yellow, and it's called sunshine. And see, this is mixing very nicely, and it's very vibrant and bright. I love it. These are the Master Elite colors, and I will leave all the links in the description box below. Now, after you have colored your dough, you want to wrap them tightly in your bowl and then place them in the refrigerator and let them sit for 2 hours. All right. Once they have set for that 2 hours, you want to get out your baking sheet and line it up with some parchment paper. Set it to the side. Now you're going to need at least 2 of these sheets, because these cookies make up to about 33 to 36 cookies, medium size. All right, so let's get to breaking down our cookies and creating them. So I gathered my powdered sugar, and what I'm doing is loosening up the cookie a little bit, because it just came out the refrigerator. And what I'm doing is placing it in the cookie scooper, just to form and measure out each cookie. Now, measuring out each cookie helps so they can come out all in the same size and nice and neat. Now, when creating each cookie batch, you want to do one color at a time. So you want to take out one set of dough and place it into the powdered sugar, and then place it onto the baking sheet. And once you complete that portion, then you want to bring out your other color and start creating those cookies. But make sure you leave those colors in the refrigerator until they are ready to be formed and placed onto your baking sheet. Now, once you have created all your cookies, you want to bake them at 350 degrees for 8 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven. And these are the cookies going through the baking process, and they look amazing, and they're so nice and vibrant. I love them, and these were so fun to create. Now, once you remove those cookies from your oven, you want them to sit out to cool for at least 30 minutes. And they're going to be nice, soft, and very delicious. Now, I had fun creating these cookies. I hope you all will enjoy making them as well. They're fun, full of color, and great for Easter. So, Taiwo, this is for you, my dear friend. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this was my special treat for her, and I hope you enjoyed this video along with everyone else. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your Girl Roll channel, and finish enjoying this video, and I'll see you in the next one.